Does your engine aggressively crank over but absolutely refuse to start, leaving you completely stranded in your driveway? This incredibly stressful situation is often caused by the P0374 trouble code, which means your engine computer is seeing absolutely no pulses from the timing reference high-resolution signal A. To run smoothly, your powertrain control module needs to know the exact position and rotational speed of your engine internal components so it can perfectly time the spark plugs and fuel injectors. It gathers this critical data using an engine position sensor, usually the crankshaft or camshaft position sensor, which reads the teeth on a spinning metal reluctor wheel. When the computer expects to see a steady stream of digital pulses from this sensor but receives absolute silence, it immediately triggers this code. The symptoms are severe and immediate. You will have a glowing check engine light, your vehicle will likely suffer from a total no-start condition, or if it does manage to run, it will have terrible engine performance and severe misfires. What stops this crucial signal in its tracks? The most common culprit is a completely dead engine position sensor that has failed internally due to years of extreme engine heat. You could also have shredded wiring from a rubbing serpentine belt, heavy metal shavings stuck to the magnetic tip of the sensor, contaminated engine oil, or physical damage to the teeth on the reluctor wheel itself. To begin troubleshooting this issue at home, grab a bright flashlight and locate your crankshaft or camshaft sensors. Carefully inspect the wiring harness leading up to the sensor, looking for wires that have melted against the hot engine block or connectors packed with dirt and engine oil. Pull the sensor out and wipe off the tip, as heavy metal particulates will completely block the magnetic signal. If the wiring looks perfect, you will need a digital multimeter to test the electrical circuit. Depending on whether your vehicle uses a 3-wire Hall effect sensor or a 2-wire permanent magnet sensor, you will need to verify the 5-volt reference signal from the computer or measure the internal resistance of the sensor, which should usually be between 500 and 1,200 ohms. Because correctly back probing these sensitive wires can easily short out your main engine computer, and replacing a damaged reluctor will often require tearing the front of the engine completely apart. This is a repair that is almost always best left to a professional mechanic. They have advanced automotive oscilloscopes to visually see the exact signal wave and the tools to fix the mechanical components safely. Keep your engine timed right and stay safe.